Sabi ni Gar. Tsaka na kayo mag-flex ng mga kinikita nyo. Pag may sarili na kayong bahay sa village, sariling kotse, at kaya nyo nang kumain sa mga 5-star restaurants. Puro pares lang naman ang alam nyong kainin kasi deep inside, pag di kayo kumayod, di kayo kakain. In short, isang kahig, isang tuka. Gar, your emotion is valid. Di ko papatulan yung sariling bahay. As of now, nangungupahan lang kami. Well, hindi ako yung nagbabayad ng upa. Yung sariling sasakyan, pass muna. Wala kasi kaming parking lot. Lahat yan palalagpasin ko. Pero, yung puro pares lang ang kayang kainin, di ko matatanggap. Dang! Di ko alam kung bakit gusto mong makakita ng rider na kumakain sa 5-star restaurant. What the basis to discriminate? Train, no? Got distracted. And it doesn't make any sense kung iwakumpara ko yung pares sa mga 5-star restaurants. Pero para maliwanagan ka, I'm gonna put it into a test. Kakain ako sa McDonald's. Yup. You heard me. I didn't choose that fast food restaurant randomly. Lahat ng hinihintuan namin paresan, meron kaming basehan ng kalidad. Yang fast food na yan, napakababa ng ratings at nakakabahalang reviews. Some of you will say,
wala. Bakit yung pinili mo? Dapat yung mataas yung review.
Yo, ginagawa ko to para sa reputasyon ng magkabilang panig. Aalamin natin kung totoo ba yung mga akusasyon sa fast food na to, gaya ng akusasyon ni Gar sa pares. Sabi ni Erica Nina, I ordered for 2 pieces chicken, not 2 rice. 1 star. Bit misunderstanding. And sabi ni Mark Lester, hot. 1 star. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung sinasabi mo? Hot. Yung pagkain ba? Or ako? Sabi naman ni Rachel Ann, matagal ang serving time. Luma ang fries. Ang konti ng serving ng spaghetti. Yung chicken, puro buto. Sobrang tabang ng soft drinks and juice. Ang dumi ng CR. 1 star. With that being said, this is the greatest rules. Ang budget natin is 200 pesos. Also, I had to leave a 5-star review, pero dapat totoo. And lastly, I'm gonna blend in. Hindi ko alam ba't ako pubalak pa. I'm going in. That is the time na na-realize ko yung review ni Mark Lester. Hot. Hello po. Double rice na chicken. Malay mo. Bigay sa atin 2 pieces chicken. Apo. Patawagin na lang po ba? Hello po. 2 to 3. Grabe. Hindi, kakain ako. Kung sino man ang nakaiwan ng phone sa table na inupuan ko, claim mo sa guard. 5 star. On to the next clip. Jollibee! Obviously, I already blend in. The only thing that we can do is to read the reviews. Sabi ni Yuri, worst experience this afternoon around 4 p.m. if I'm not mistaken. I'm eating in Jollibee, Walter Mart Muñoz. I saw and I heard the man complaining for the service of his order. He's talking with a girl named Jomel based on her name tag, and they both arguing with high voice, so they caught my attention. My concern is the manners of the crew, especially to that girl, so disrespectful. The way she talked to the customer so rude. Take note, she's talking with the senior citizen with that manners. Don't tolerate that kind of attitude. It may affect your business. I hope you'll address this kind of complaint. 1 star. Well, Yuri, let's hope na nandyan si Jomel. And sabi ni JT, very slow to take and give orders. The system is not organized. Crews are now well trained about proper customer service. 1 star. Sabi naman ni Princess Grace, masusungit ang mga staff nyo. Dito, kulang sa good manners and right conduct. Walang mga po at opo. Highs. Sila ata sisira ng pangalan ng Jollibee. Bigyan nyo ng atensyon ng mga ganitong branch. 1 star. Hindi food ang i-review natin kundi yung attitude ng mga crew. I'm going in. Hello, good afternoon. Okay lang po. Hindi, dining. Nga po pala, meron kayo ditong crew na ano, Jomel pangalan. Ah, meron. Papapicture sana ako sa kanya.
Now serving customer number.
Ang ganda na upuan ko.
Now serving customer number.
Christian, pa-serve sa akin pag tinawag. Kaya, salamat Christian.
Now serving customer number 4038.
Hey, maraming salamat Christian. Thank you so much. Oo naman.
Scan nyo lang po itong photo. Thank you
Ah.
po.
Now serving customer number.
Obviously, we're back sa delivery motorcycle parking. Yan ang init. Lumipat tayo ng pwesto. Obviously. Dapat pinanood mo yon, princess. I don't think na hindi sila gumagamit ng po at opo. And yung kay Jomel, positive na meron silang ganung proof. And unfortunately, today is her rest day. So hindi natin siya nakausap. Ang review ni Yuri will remain mystery. Almost 10 years na kaming kasal ni Mrs. May 3 na kaming anak. Hindi ko na mabilang kung ilan beses na kami kumain sa Jollibee. Pero never kong ni-request sa kanya na gusto ko ng jump. Kaya if you did watch, don't tell my wife. 5 star. Next clip. Diwata. Obviously, I don't need to blend in. Wait, what? This is usual na nakakakita kayo ng rider na kumakain sa Pares.
Okay.
Di pa ako nakakain dito, not even once.
Okay.
Kahit ganito ka-hype yung Pares na to, meron pa rin mga 1-star review. Wait, what? Sabi ni Ronald, not worth the hype. Try it and it got no taste at all. The soup has no taste. Thought I had COVID. The first rice is burned. Diwata's staff seems like they will stop and kill each other. The customers just let them go. The staff don't even make themselves presentable given the food they serve. It will be difficult for you to get a place to sit or eat. Not enough tables, chairs for the number of customers. 1 star. Sabi naman ni Duran, overall experience not worth it. Food is not tasty like lechon pan that is only covered with hot water without a taste. Atmosphere dirty, that's just a hype on social media. I will not recommend. 1 star. Yo, ay! Salamat, idol. Thank you. Imuta ko isa kong gear. Buti napakabait na isa. Sabi ni Raul. Typical Pares, 1 star. Let's just end this reviews and eat some Diwata. Pares overload. I'm going in. Saan po mo order dito? Ah, sa labas. Yung only rice po. With this. Lechon kawali.
Okay.
Okay lang ba ako rito?
Yung pong harangan ng entrance, pag-ingi kayo ng kanin dito po banda.
Tumalun din. Yes, what's up? Salamat. Okay lang yan.
What's up guys?
Sabaw po, sabaw. Hindi ako nakapagsalita ito na. Ano masasabi mo, Raul? Typical Pares. Alright, we're out. Pasok ka lang sa loob. Libre. Libre lang yan. Dito meron, 1,000. Pag nahuli ka. Obviously, yung video natin is tungkol sa Pares versus fast food. So let me explain. So let me experience ko doon sa Diwata since sikat to, hindi naging madali yung pag-order. Kailangan mong pumila para sa sabaw, pumila para sa kanin. We are fortunate na hindi tayo pumila para sa lamesa. To be honest, Raul, yung Pares na kinonsume ko ngayon is not a typical Pares. Pero let me set a proper expectation. Hindi siya ganun kasarap, pero hindi naman siya hindi masarap. Alam niyo ba yung ibig sabihin ko? I'm in the middle of typical Pares. Let's go back to the topic. I don't have that much money para i-review lahat ng fast food. I'm so sorry. Let's stop comparing. Kasi for me, comparing is a happiness killer. And please, stop discrimination. Huwag niyo i-discriminate yung mga rider based lang doon sa kinakain nila araw-araw. Kaya ako kumain kay Diwata Pares. Siya ang pinaka-perfectong modelo.
I'm proud to say na sabihin sa inyong lahat na nakabili ako ng sasakyan, may bahay ako. Dahil sa kasipagan ko, magbubunga naman lahat ng yan.
Do it like it's your first day. Signifies a mindset of curiosity and dedication. It suggests approaching tasks with the same level of excitement and commitment as when you first started. Maintaining a sense of freshness and passion. Pero dahil mura, 5-star. There's no point to discriminate people. I don't wanna end this video this way, but... Uwi! Ano oras na ba? 3:29. Na-attract ako sa Pares pero tinitigil-tigilan ko na kasi yung Pares. Kasama kasi sa New Year's resolution ko yung paghinto sa Pares. Kayang kanin. Isa po.